Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Weathercast, which is dedicated to providing weather updates for the Indian region. And today I'm just going to give you a very brief synopsis of what is expected in the next few days, that is, let's say between April 16th to 19th. And once again, I want to iterate that these are unofficial weather updates. So for any official weather updates, please follow IMD. Okay, so here let us just take a look at the general weather patterns that are seen over the Indian subcontinent and in the Indian Ocean, which is Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So if you look at the Arabian Sea, you can see a very distinct anticyclonic wind pattern where the winds are kind of diverging. So what happens is these winds will blow from the sea to the land, and that's how they will bring in the moisture, and that is going to happen both from Arabian Sea as well as Bay of Bengal. So both these winds are going to blow from Arabian Sea. From the Arabian Sea, the wind is going to blow from west to east, and from the Bay of Bengal, it is going to move from east to west, and they're going to bring in a lot of moisture. And obviously, the confluence zone where these two winds meet is going to be quite important. So this is where I'm showing with yellow arrows the place where the winds will meet, and where they meet, they will kind of create a upward movement of air. And as the air moves upward, and it's also moist, as you may remember, because moisture is being carried over from both these ocean bodies, the condensation is going to happen, and we will see a lot of thunder cell formation. And this is exactly how the convergence of these two winds is going to happen, and this is the zone of convergence, so shown by the red lines. So this is where a lot of thunderstorm activity is going to be expected for the next few days over the Ghat sections of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and over the central India, which spans Marathwada, Vidarbha, and Chhattisgarh, and all the way up to Odisha and West Bengal as well. As far as Bombay is concerned, well, we are going to have to fight it out. We are really in for quite hot and humid days the next as we move forward. Once again, this anticyclone is going to be the reason, because it's not going to bring in any cool air. It is going to only bring in hot and humid air. Humidity levels are going to be off the roof. We are going to expect humidity levels to be around 70, 80, even 85%. So it's going to really be uncomfortable weather for Bombay, and I don't expect any respite from this weather for the next few days until the monsoon sets in, or the pre-monsoon showers set in for Bombay, which is not likely to be seen for this month. Mostly the pre-monsoon showers only set in late May. So I think we are in for some hot and humid month. April and May are typically uncomfortable months for Bombay. So let's just keep that in mind and plan our activities considering that the weather is going to be hot and humid for Bombay and the suburbs. At least the coastal areas, coastal places near Bombay like Santa Cruz will at least have some sea breeze effect. But as you come to the interior, it's going to be quite sizzling hot. 40, 41 degrees is quite normal for this time of the year. Same thing is expected on the east coast as well. As you come to the interiors, it's going to be hot. So this is typical April May weather dynamics. Here I'm just taking a zoomed in view and to show you the confluence of these two winds, which is the winds from the west and winds from the east. You can clearly see where they meet, and that's where a lot of thunderstorm is going to be expected. Here you can see that near Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, you will see a lot of thunderstorm activity in the next few days to come. Same thing applies for central India as well, interior Maharashtra, and also interior southern India. This is just the IMD chart. It's. I mean, I'm just showing it because it shows the arrows of the winds, and it helps in understanding the convergence patterns better. So same thing I'm showing here as well, anticyclone and the zone, the confluence of the winds, the line of convergence shown by these red lines. One important thing here, this chart is quite important because this is the upper level winds. So as you come to the upper level winds, then the effect of boundary is not there. So these are like free flowing winds. So as the thunder cells form, these are the winds which will govern where these thunder cells move. So the thunder cells will start, let us say, forming at around 850 HPA. That is the base of the cloud, and then they will go all the way to the top, which is somewhere 10 kilometers or even 12 kilometers. But so the movement of these thunder cells will be governed by the higher level winds, which are like 600 HPA, 500 HPA wind patterns. And if you see the winds, they are kind of moving towards south and towards the west. So once the thunder cells form in these interior places, they are going to follow this path. So they will move south and towards the sea. And if you look at the last 12 hours of cloud genesis and movement, that's exactly what you see. The thunder cells form along these zones of convergence, central India, and as well as the Ghat sections of Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Kerala. Let me play the movie again. And then you can also see that there's a south and west movement, like they're moving south and also towards the sea. So that's what is going to be expected for the next few days as well, till at least 19th. And let us just sum it up and let me show you the hotspots for thunderstorms for the next 2-3 days from 16th to 19th. Like I already said, it is going to be near the interior Ghats, close to the Ghats, and also near the Ghat sections. So if you see Maharashtra, then Satara, Mahabaleshwar, and Marathwada district, and also Vidarbha is going to get some thunderstorms. And as you move towards the east, and Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal is also expected to get some thunderstorms. And since Bay of Bengal is quite active, you will also see some thunderstorm activity close to the coastal AP, Andhra Pradesh. That is not a surprise because Bay of Bengal is a very active uh, uh, ocean body, so it will create a lot of moisture convergence close to the coastal areas. Not expecting anything for Chennai and down south. For as of now, Tamil Nadu is going to be dry. I mean, relatively dry. Only isolated thunderstorm is expected. A lot of activity is expected for north interior Karnataka, which is Belgaum and Hubli and close by districts. Kerala is also going to see some thunderstorm activity. Peninsular India will see a little bit of activity, but right now the competency convergence is not very active. So, but after 20th, it's going to pick up. So, from April 20th onwards, the South Peninsular India and in general the South India will get widespread thunderstorm. But that is expected only after 20th of April. Till then, it's going to be mostly Maharashtra, Indian Maharashtra, which is going to benefit, and the the central part of India, which is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Madhya Pradesh, of course, and also Odisha and West Bengal. So this is the typical weather synopsis that is expected from 16th to 19th of April. And once again, I would like to reiterate that Bombay is going to be hot and humid, so please take care. Don't, if possible, anyway, we have a lockdown, so the movement is restricted, so just stay at home and enjoy this time. All right, thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with more weather updates as in when I find time, maybe after 20th of April. If there's anything interesting before then, I will put up another video. But um, if you watch this video, if you liked it, please press the like and also give me your comments. I would be thankful for that. And and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, where I'll give more weather updates for the Indian region. Again, we have some interesting days ahead as monsoon 2020 is inching closer, and we are expected to have a normal or slightly above normal monsoon. Uh, well, most of the weather forecasters have been saying that. So let us see how things pan out. The pre-monsoon season is still very active, and interesting days are ahead, even for the pre-monsoon season. April and May, we will have some pre-monsoon showers for Maharashtra, central India and also South India. So let's see what is in store for us. And like I said, please read the disclaimer. It's all personal views, so I'm not responsible for any oversight or misinterpretation. And I would like to thank IMD charts and Windy charts for which I've used for giving the weather synopsis. All right, thank you. Have a nice day.